staying the same, but in constantly becoming better. Every year gives us movement, but some moments gives us meaning. Tonight is not just about looking back, it is about rising forward. From dreams that once seemed distant to achievements that now stand tall, this journey is called growth. And that is what Meliora truly celebrates, the courage to become better than yesterday. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Tata Devi family, I, as Sudha Kaur, feel honored to welcome you all to this beautiful celebration of progress, passion, and possibility. Growth is not always allowed. Sometimes it happens quietly within us, shaping who we become, and today we gather to celebrate that journey. A journey of learning, evaluating, and rising beyond yesterday. This evening is not just a celebration, it is a reflection of dreams that dared, efforts that persisted, and talent that blossomed. So let us come together, not just as an audience, but as a family celebrating progress, creativity, and the spirit of becoming better. Welcome to Meliora, where every step forward tells a story of growth. In the tapestry of life, every thread carries a story, and tonight we weave those stories together in a celebration of talent, unity, and aspiration. As we reflect on the journey of the past year, we don't just see time passing, we see transformation unfolding. Each step forward has been a reflection of growth, resilience, and purpose. At Tata Devi, this journey begins in a most beautiful way. In our pre-primary classes, where learning is not introduced as a subject but as an experience, here young minds are nurtured with care, warmth, and motherly affection that builds not just knowledge but confidence and curiosity. And these little steps grow stronger. They lead to remarkable milestones. Our senior students continue to make us proud, achieving excellence in class 10th and 12th, and stepping into prestigious path. From IIT aspirants to NIIT achievers to future doctors, pilots, and professionals who carry forward the legacy of this institution. These are not just achievements, they are reflection of years of dedication, guidance, and unwavering belief. What makes this journey truly special is the spirit that binds us all, a shared commitment to excellence, values, and continuous growth. This is the essence of Tata Devi, where energy is nurtured with care and every success is built with purpose. An occasion becomes truly special when it is graced by inspiring personalities whose presence add meaning to the celebration. It is my proud privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to the distinguished personalities who have graciously joined this evening. I extend a grand and gracious welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest Sir, Shri Debashish Jena, General Manager OMQ, whose presence adds immense value and inspiration to the occasion. Sir, I welcome you. With deep respect, I extend a cordial welcome to our Honorable Guest of Honor, Shri Rajesh Kumar, Chairman cum Chief Joda, OMQ, whose leadership stands as a pillar of strength and progress. I welcome you, sir. I take this opportunity to extend a graceful welcome to the First Lady of the evening, Mrs. Madhusmita Jana, President Spandhan Mahila Samiti, whose presence adds charm and dignity to the celebration. I welcome you, ma'am. With equal warmth, I welcome the First Lady of the family, Mrs. Vinita Singh, Vice President Spandhan Mahila Samiti, whose encouragement and support means a great deal to us. We welcome you, ma'am. We are equally honored to have among us esteemed principals and dignitaries from our sister institution, whose presence strengthens the spirit of unity and collaboration. I extend a warm welcome to Sri P.K. Bhuya, Principal Tata Devi Public School, Noamundi. Mrs. Chinmay Chitrangada, Principal OMC Devi, Mrs. Rajeshwari Mahapatro, Principal Devi Public School, Bolani, Shri Prabhakar Mahanti, Principal Devi, Bolani, along with other distinguished principals from various institutions who have graciously joined us this evening. We also extend our heartfelt welcome to all the distinguished guests and dignitaries present here today. A special welcome to our dear parents whose constant support, trust and encouragement forms the backbone of our students' success. Your presence makes this evening truly meaningful, and we are deeply grateful to each one of you for being a part of this celebration. Once again, on the behalf of Tata Devi family, I welcome you all. Please give a big round of applause for our dignitaries as well as for encouraging our students who are going to perform very shortly. To mark the auspicious beginning of this evening, may I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly proceed for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp.
Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida Mata, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida Mata. He Vidya Gyan Pradayini, He Vidya Gyan Pradayini, Ma Shweta Basan Kamalashini, Ma Shweta Basan Kamalashini, Bhava Bhanjani Manoranjani, Bhava Bhanjani Manoranjani, Amma Bhageshwari Mata, Amma Bhageshwari Mata. Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida Mata, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida Mata. Gama dhani sani re sa sa, Gama dhani sani re sa sa, Gama dhani sani re sa. Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida Mata, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida Mata, Namo Sharida, Namo Sharida,
Still Sponge Iron Joda, a personality whose experience and guidance continue to inspire many. Let us now rise together for the Devi Gan, a symbol of our value, unity and tradition.
सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता हे धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय।
Thank you. Let me invite our talented students with a melodious welcome song.
Sorry.
Namaskar. It's my pleasure and privilege to extend a warm and hearty welcome to our revered chief guest of the day, Sri Debashish Jena sir, GM OMQ, Noamundi. Also I welcome the first lady of this evening, Srimati Madhusmita Jena madam, President Spandan, Noamundi. I take this opportunity to welcome, already madam has done that part, to welcome each and everyone. Just I will show my gratitude because a small request to bless our children. They have come leaving all their important assignment or work. So that's why let me take this opportunity to welcome all the dignitaries. So I welcome our chairman sir, Sri Rajesh Kumar, Chief OMQ. Also I welcome B.D. Mahanti sir, Chief Tata Sponge, Bilaipada. I take this opportunity to welcome sir, Chief RMP, and Braj Vinod sir, Praveen sir, and all the dignitaries, those who have taken a very quality time for our children. So I welcome each and everyone, all the invitees, the print and press media people, and my dear parents. And the most important of this day, that instrument, or you can say the key, is that our students. So I welcome heartily to each and every student, though I think they might not able to take the part in any of the event of the day, but I request you all students, next time don't miss this opportunity, because out of 1300, I think around 400 students are today performing in different active cultural program and anchoring and song and other things. So this is the platform where you can upskill your strength there to face the audience and stand in front of many. So I welcome each and everyone, and this is the day when I can interact with my parents, because usually whenever we call our parents for parents meeting up to class 5, a good amount of parents, around 75 to 80% parents turning up, because every month second Saturday is meant for interacting with the parents. But unfortunately, the middle and secondary level, we hardly get this response from the parents. 30 to 40% parents are turning up to interact with the teacher, to know about their child's growth and activity. So my dear parents, I want to take this opportunity to tell you that how important the interaction between we both is for the journey of our children. Unless and until you speak to them, then you come to us, so that we will be a very strong supporting hand for our students for the better and greater journey. So my request again from this platform, that don't miss that opportunity, because we also want to know what these students are doing the remaining 16 to 17 hours at home. So when we both can become bridge, their journey will be a very strong and very impactful. Like many of you may knowing or not, our school is conducting 4 skill subjects. Class 6, 7, 8, we have introduced as per the CBSE. In our school, students are learning financial management, then artificial intelligence, then culinary skill, food preparation and decorating, and handicraft. Because these 3 years, if they can invest around 20 to 30 hours of one year, they will be getting a certificate from Skill India, Ministry of Skill and Small Scale Industry. So it will be a very great handy to them for their future decision making of where to choose their profession. So very few parents are showing interest. This is very unfortunate from our side, that we are not able to bring them the desired requirement of the global citizens. So though this is the day when we showcase our achievements of past, whatever we have done in the last year. But my major concern is we should learn from the past wherever we could not do better to our child. Let's make this year, we should not miss any opportunity to give them the strong support as elder wherever they need from us. So my request to my esteemed parents, please turn up, please respect the call of the class teacher whenever they are conducting the parents-teacher meeting. Not only parents-teacher meeting, even you know the bus which is where 5 buses are using, that also run by a parents community. A committee is there, parents, transport community by the parents. There also we are struggling to take any decision. Even in the school curriculum, we are not able to take a good decision for our student because no much response for our student side or the parent side we are getting. So I request all of you, I want to take this opportunity to again request, because nowadays only academic is not enough. The student has to go through all the process. Because if they enjoy the journey, usually parents and the society, they are telling regarding the related to destiny. But always I used to tell to my student, make your journey more beautiful than your destiny. Because you should enjoy your journey instead of only keeping on the product oriented side. So this is the journey. This time all Orissa DAV has taken a very good step to take care of psychology and physiology of the child. Every child has to run 500 meter every day, but school first initially taken weekly once we are making every child to run 500 meter. Actually they have asked for 5 kilometer, but since this is corner of 2 highways, so we cannot take them to outdoor. So we are making them, we have started this new session. We have added the one period where the child will run for 500 meter, then yoga, after that mass drill. It is compulsory. Not only this, for the soft skill, we have in entire Odisha, all DAV has added 2 periods for personality development. Because what we are finding, our students are very good in getting marks. But when it comes to life skills or soft skills, they are very much hesitant to address or accept the challenge. So like communication skill, then ethics, then behavior, and how to mingle with or accept the new atmosphere, all these things are lacking. For that, if class 3 to 10, 2 periods weekly we are allotted for this personality development and soft skill, which is very much, because we realized it. Students are getting 90 above marks, but when we are asking to address a small gathering, they are having the fear of addressing the public. So during the schooling only, all these things we need to take care. And not only that, we have started a STEM club. This year 60 students of our Chief Guest Sir, you will be happy to know, 60 students of our schools, they have visited to our integrated test range center, our DRDO Baleswar, Chandipur, to see the live testing of missiles. So this is the way they are on ground, and in the first hand experience they are finding. We have sent with 4 teachers, they have gone to that place, and they have whole day entire they were with the scientist to see how this missile test firing is happening in Baleswar. So these are the things where we are lacking little bit, but thanks to the Tata management and DAV management, every time they are planning and thinking that how to add value to their present journey along with the academic. Not only that, here in Joda, Tata Power Skill Center, Skill Development Center also our 11-12 class science students they visited to see that how transmission working, how the power is supplied to the city. So these kind of things, if the parent supports, I am really feel privileged if this kind of support will come from the parents, then we can think of taking them to any level and give the wings to fly. So my request, all the parents, please whenever we call to discuss something, to get some suggestion from you, please extend. This is one thing. Not only this innovation and other things, for this recently on 2nd March lunar eclipse was there. So I have invited all the parents to come and witness, because we have a very good scientific, advanced scientific telescopes. On the top floor, around 150 parents and students, they came. Up to 7 o'clock, we could able to see experience the blood moon. These are the real, because unless and until we will give them the real experience, they will be stick to the screen. We cannot bring them away from that mobile or the screen. So they have experienced it and they enjoyed it. They thought, they have seen the whole journey of that eclipse. It was a nice experience. Many students, they came. So we are ready. Only thing is the parent support is very much required. Their duty, they think that once the child is taken admission, school will take care. Yes, we will take care. They are our children. But at the very same time, we need your support, guidance, suggestions, time to time. So please extend that, because they need our few days or few years, they need our support. Then they can excel their journey in a very nice way. This year, 5 of our students, they have very nicely they have done in the JEE mains, and 95 and above percentile they scored, which is again a very rare thing. Being in Joda, taking the regular classes, only online class for JEE and medical they are taking coaching, but they have already reserved their seat in NIT. Now they are going for the advance, and we are praying and wishing that they will get IIT seat also. It is again a good thing and an example for this region, that no need to leave and migrate this place and go to Kota, Bhubaneswar and big cities to acquire or pursue this coaching and other things. 5 students they have out of 30, if they can do it, you just think 10 to 15% students, they can crack being in Joda. So my request, only you give some time to them. Every day, quality 10 to 15 minutes, if you have interaction, communicate with them, you will get a very good feedback or very good clarity that how to proceed further by your and our support to this child's journey. So all these things are there. Yes, of course, our students have done very good in the class 10 and class 12 exam of last CBSE. Out of 102, 30 students got 90 and above percentage. So this academic, every school's job is to take care. But to make them human, to make them life sensitive, other skills are required. We have taken them to old age home, class 8, 9, 10 students. They enjoyed the entire day with this grand parents, and such a nice, positive, emotional vibration was there, and they realized how much privileged and how much fortunate they are. So such things, school is always trying, but you need to just talk to them every day and try to understand what is their emotions or what is their feeling is going when they are in this journey. Just that much. So I hope in future your support will be there with the school. Now also we are getting, but not 100%, hardly 50 to 55% we are getting. So that is my pain. Today I have taken this opportunity to share with you. Please come forward, at least monthly once, spend some time with the teacher and with me. See that the miracle or magic is waiting for them. Because we are having the edge of experience, and that will always be there. And that experience is required to guide and support these children for their future journey. So without taking much time, these are my concerns. So once again, I thank each and everyone for blessing this evening, and the budding stars of our Tata DAV family is going to perform. And please appreciate and guide, and if there is anything to give as a feedback, we are always ready to receive that feedback for our students' better journey and for our students' greater life. So with these words, I once again thank Chairman Sir Chief Guest Sir, and all the dignitaries and parents and our students for coming, taking the valuable time and sparing here with us for this evening for our students' achievement and their performance. You are here to bless. Really, on behalf of entire DAV family, I once again show my gratitude and my words of thanks to each and everyone who are here with us for this evening. Let's enjoy the evening. Let's celebrate our children's achievement, and let's see what possibilities they are having in their future by today's performance. So, with these words, once again I thank Jai Hind, Bande Utkal Journey.
For highlighting our achievements, at the same time making us aware of where we should focus. Your words are as usual inspiring and motivating. We are now moved to a very special segment of the evening, celebrating achievements and recognizing excellence. We will be recognizing the winners of different CCA competitions, academic achievers, as well as celebrating the pride of our institution, the house champion and sports champion, and we will also honor the winners of Jhuti competition. We now begin the segment by celebrating our youngest achievers whose first step into learning are filled with enthusiasm and innocence. May I now request the First Lady of our family, Mrs. Vinita Singh, to come forward and present the awards to our budding star. I request Vinita Madam to please be on the stage, and Madam is escorted by our revered Principal Sir. To achieve such heights, very young, but they have put on all their efforts, and this is the beginning of their achievement. The next prize goes to Mariana Mun. Clap for them. The next student is Chitralekha Barik. The next student is Gaurav Kumar Sharma from U. To kindly grace the stage and present the awards to the student. The next student is Saisha Sinha from 2A. She has got 2 prizes. Second prize in. The next student is Sai Sudipta Swain from 2B. She has got 3 prizes. I request the parents of Sai Sudipta Swain to please be on this. Is Ritisha Das of 2A. The next student is Prashant Panigrai. The next student is, please here, please come on the stage. The next student is, the next student has got second prize for thumb painting.
Once again, a very warm and graceful evening to everyone present here. Esteemed dignitaries, respected principals, honored guests, loving parents, and my dear student. With immense pride and heartfelt happiness, I, Indrani Bose, feel deeply honored to be your host for this beautiful and memorable evening. It is a moment of great pride and joy to welcome you all to the annual function of Tata Devi Public School Joda, Melluria, which means ever better. It is not just a word, but a guiding thought. It inspires us to grow continuously, to improve endlessly, and to strive for excellence in everything we do. And what better platform to reflect this spirit than CCA activities, where talent blossom beyond textbook, creativity finds its voice, and confidence takes wings. CCA is not merely about winning. It is about evolving, learning, and becoming better than yesterday, the true essence of Melluria. Tonight is not just about the sign of trophies, but about the sparkle of dreams that dared to rise. To honor this special and proud occasion, we feel deeply privileged to invite our respected guest of honor, Shri Rajesh Kumar Sir, Chief OMQ Joda, cum Chairman LMC Tata Devi Joda. I sincerely request him to kindly grace the stage and commence the prize distribution ceremony, inspiring our young achievers with his presence. We begin with our young and enthusiastic achievers from Standard 3 and 4 group. Dear audience, from Standard 4B. She has secured Diptesh Ranjan Mahanto from Standard 3B. He has bagged 3 prizes from Standard 4B. She has secured 3rd position in drawing and coloring. Next is Sanvi Shruti Deo from Standard 4A. She has secured. Next is Pratyush Dhalo Samanto from Standard 4B. He has secured 3rd prizes in various competitions. 3rd in Best Out of West, first position in English speech. Shreya Satpathy. Sananya Swine from Standard 3B. She has secured 3rd position in English speech. Next is Shivanya Raj from Standard 4A. She has secured 3rd position in Hinton Diya decoration and 2nd in sculpture making. May I request a warm oration. Kindly give them a From Standard 4A, he has secured 3rd position in fancy dress. Last but not least is Khushbu Priyadarshini Das from Standard 3A.
Today's chief guest, GMOMQ, Devashish Jena sir, Madam Madhusmita Jena, President Spandan and Prerna, all my colleagues from Tata Steel, और जोड़ा शहर के सभी रेस्पेक्टेड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हमारे डीएवी स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स और प्यारे बच्चों, हम लोग जब भी एनुअल फंक्शन में आई यूज टू कम, आई फाइंड लॉट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन इन ह्यूज नंबर्स, एंड व्हेन आई डिस्कस विद द प्रिंसिपल एंड टीचर्स, Their main motive is to promote maximum child possible to come over the stage, so that at least they could find a strength and skill to address and to speak in front of this huge crowd. So thank you for that, Principal Sir and all the DAV teachers. And हम भी पेरेंट हैं, आई नो बच्चों को भाषण ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, सो बट आई विल टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू आज जो पेरेंट्स यहाँ पे बहुत उपस्थित हैं, तो हम सोच रहे थे क्यों नहीं इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को हम यूज़ करें और पेरेंट्स के साथ डायरेक्ट थोड़ा बहुत बात कर लिया जाए। तो हम जब जैसा प्रिंसिपल सर भी स्पीच में बोल रहे थे और हम लोग पहले भी डिस्कस किए हैं, एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न ये दिखता है कि पेरेंट्स टीचर्स जो मीटिंग होता है उसमें थोड़ा अटेंडेंस और इम्प्रूव करने की आवश्यकता है, क्योंकि मैं भी यही मानता हूँ कि अगर हम अपने बच्चे को कुछ बोलते हैं तो उसका इफेक्ट बहुत कम होता है, बट अगर टीचर और प्रिंसिपल कुछ बोलता है तो उसका इफेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। ये हम अपने घर में देख चुके हैं अपने बेटे के साथ। और आपको ये बताएं कि मेरा बेटा भी यहीं से 12th कर रहा है, तो ये मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि इस स्कूल का क्वालिफिकेशन जो मिल रहा है बच्चों को, एजुकेशन, वो बहुत एक अलग लेवल का है। और उसी को देखते हुए मैं भी अपने बच्चे को यहाँ पे पढ़ा रहा हूँ, अभी तक 12th में है वो, और बहुत सारे हमारे कलीग हैं जिनके भी बच्चे यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं। तो इस स्कूल का अभी जो स्टैंडर्ड है ऑफ द टीचर्स और जो टीचिंग क्वालिटी और जिस टाइप का एक्सपोजर मिलता है वो बहुत जगह नहीं मिलेगा। सो एज ए पेरेंट आई अलॉन्ग विथ यू एवरीवन, जो भी पेरेंट्स यहाँ आए हैं, वी आर वेरी लकी कि वो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी जोड़ा में है जहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलता है। सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पेरेंट्स जो भी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं कि काइंडली पेरेंट्स टीचर्स मीटिंग में ज़रूर उपस्थित हों, और जो भी कंसर्न आपको दिखता है स्कूल से रिलेटेड, बच्चे से रिलेटेड, तो काइंडली उसको ज़रूर रेज करें। और अभी हम लोग जस्ट बात कर रहे थे, हम लोग लास्ट 2 साल से, दिस इज़ द 3rd ईयर, हम लोग कुछ बच्चों को स्पॉन्सर करते हैं जो कि जोड़ा के 14 वार्ड से हम लोग को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, और ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 58 बच्चे हैं अभी। और इस साल का ड्यू है, हमको बताया गया था कि मार्च एंड तक शायद उसको क्लोज कर देगा TSF टीम, तो एक बार चेक कर लेंगे। तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 90, नियर बाई 90 बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जिनको हम लोग स्पॉन्सर करेंगे फ्रॉम LKG अप टू स्टैंडर्ड 12, जो कि फाइनेंशियली बहुत वीक हैं, तो उनको हम लोग स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं। और आज बड़ा अच्छा लगा सुन के कि उसमें से 3 बच्चे हैं जो कि आज यहाँ पे उनको हम लोगों ने रिकॉग्नाइज भी किया और प्राइज़ दे रहे हैं उनको। और बहुत बार मीटिंग में हम आते हैं, बच्चों से तो बहुत बार मिलते रहते हैं, बिकॉज एज ए प्रेसिडेंट स्कूल में बहुत बार प्रिंसिपल सर बुलाते हैं बहुत सारे ओकेज़न में, बट हम देखते हैं कि उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनका भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत एक्टिव रहता है और वे बहुत बार पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं पेरेंट्स। और हम लोग तो यही चाहेंगे एज ए टाटा स्टील कि वो बच्चे भी आगे चल के 12th के बाद उनका भी इस फोटो में नाम आए, जहाँ पे उनका परसेंटेज दिख रहा था 10th का 95+, जी मेंस में निकाले, मेडिकल निकाले, वो भी बच्चा अच्छा करे। हम लोग का मेन मकसद यही है। और आपको ये भी बताते हुए बड़ा खुशी हो रहा है कि अभी 12th में सिर्फ 30 बच्चे हैं साइंस में, जिसमें से ऑलमोस्ट 5 बच्चों का स्कोर इज़ मोर देन 90%। तो ये दिखता है जेई मेंस में कि ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 17% बच्चों को जेई मेंस में क्वालिफाई किए हैं। अभी फर्स्ट एग्ज़ाम हुआ है, वैसे 2 एग्ज़ाम होता है, तो नेक्स्ट फेज़ में जब एग्ज़ाम होगा तो और भी अच्छा करेंगे। और ये 15-17% का जो नंबर है ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर है। आप कहीं भी चल जाएंगे जहाँ पे 400-500 बच्चे पढ़ते होंगे, वहाँ पे भी 5-6-10 निकलते हैं, बट इतना रेशियो नहीं होता है। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड, अच्छा एक नंबर है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट वंस अगेन ऑल द पेरेंट्स कि काइंडली आप आइए, मीटिंग में पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए, और जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा प्रिंसिपल के थ्रू आप हमको भी दे सकते हैं अगर आपको कहीं कंसर्न महसूस होता है जिसको हम लोग और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। सो हम लोग अलॉन्ग विद द पेरेंट्स मिलके उस इशू को और उस कंसर्न को जरूर रिजॉल्व करने का कोशिश करेंगे। सो विथ ऑल दिस, थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग एंड watching this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our guest of honor, Shri B.D. Mohanty sir, Chief Tata Steel Sponge Iron Joda, to kindly grace the stage with his esteemed presence and join us in continuing the prize distribution ceremony. Now, as we proceed with standard 5 to 7 group, position in pot painting. audience a huge Next is Akshara Sanjeev from Standard 5A. She has secured third position in pot painting. Shriti Mahanto from Standard 6A. In Rakhi making. From Standard 7A. He has bagged 2 prizes. Second, he has secured third position in Rakhi making. Ritesh Chauhan. She has secured first position in poster and slogan. Ritika Gochai. Ritika Gochai. Suhani Mahakur. Aishman Nanda. She has secured second position in Hindi speech. Shriya Barik. Now I request our respected principal sir to kindly come forward and present a token of love to honor sir. आगे बढ़ते जाना है. कल से आज और आज से कल बेहतर हो. कल से आज और आज से कल बेहतर हो. यही मेलोरिया का सच्चा तराना है. For the final segment of today's ceremony, I would like to invite Mr. Ishwar Prasad sir to kindly take the stage as we now move ahead with standard 8 to 10 group and the remaining prize categories. Thank you all for being a part of this wonderful celebration. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam. Thanks to each and everyone for having such good patience. Of course, your blessings and inspiration is definitely a lion's share for our children. Extending warm wishes for the enthralling evening once again. I would like to announce the winners of various CCA activities from the senior students comprising from standard 8th to 10th. Let me now take the privilege of inviting to the stage our esteemed chief guest, Sri Debashish Jana, sir, to present these awards. May I request our beloved principal, sir, to accompany him to this stage. Sir Debashish Jana, sir. Smita Giri from 7C, securing second and third position in slogan. Moving on to the third prize from solo song competition, we have stood first in Hindi extempore. Of course, not only in Hindi extempore, and moving on to the next, we have Pratyasha Vrinalika. And the next one to receive the prize is Bhumika Barik. Congratulations, Bhumika. English extempore second prize goes to Tejaswini. And then I request Adhyasha Panigrahi to get ready. Adhyasha Panigrahi. Adhyasha. Moving on to the next certificate now. Moving on to the next, we have and the third prize goes to Panda. are to please get ready. And I request your parents to please come here. Congratulations. Whose relentless dedication fuels the growth of our institution. As the proud parents of Gungun Das and Gungun Das to please come here. Congratulations, Gungun. Hearty congratulations to you all. True spirit for sports continue. Coming to the board, Sashmita Dhal Samanta. Proud to the next, the third prize, of course backed by three beloved parents. Common category, Jyotirmay Barik. The third prize also goes to Jyotirmay Barik. Congratulations, madam. May your success continue. Congratulations, Sam House. And now it's time to invite Congratulations, Sam House. This is the reward for your excellence.
Thank you. Good evening to all of you. Chairman DAV, Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Mrs. Rajesh Kumar, Mrs. Jana, Principal DAV, Mr. Sai, all my senior colleagues who are present here, parents, प्यारे बच्चों, friends from media, शुभ संध्या आपण मानू समस्त को मोर तरफ बहुत बहुत बधाई और नमस्कार. सो रियली ए नॉस्टैल्जिक मोमेंट. मैं जस्ट सोच रहा था मेरा बचपन का टाइम का ये फंक्शन जब मेरा स्कूल में होता था कैसे होता था और अभी कैसा हो रहा है. सो ग्रेट अचीवमेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू, फ्रॉम ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव अचीव्ड एंड गॉट द अवार्ड्स देयर. माय कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ देम. I am very happy to be here. Actually, मैं probably last function यहाँ पे 2018 में attend किया था. 2018 में attend किया था. So from that time and from now, so last 8 साल के अंदर में काफ़ी changes मैं देख रहा हूँ. जैसे मिस्टर साई मुझे बता रहे थे कि the quality of education over the time has definitely improved. बाकी बड़े बड़े शहरों से आप देखेंगे बच्चे लोग IITs में क्वालिफाई करते हैं, NITs में क्वालिफाई करते हैं. वहाँ पे उन लोग के लिए काफ़ी फैसिलिटीज़ रहता है. वहाँ पे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस रहते हैं. बच्चे लोगों को लेके कोटा में या डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में वो लोग छोड़ते हैं और वहाँ पे रिजल्ट्स आता है. बट यहाँ पे छोटे शहर जैसा जोड़ा जैसा शहर में अगर रिजल्ट इस टाइप का होता है, दैट इज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट, रियली समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो I would say that this credit goes to all the teachers who are there, who have put their best efforts to achieve this. This shows the dedication from the teachers. And I was just mentioning about the contribution from the parents also, and all the teachers who are here. They not only teach, but they also shape your life selflessly. They guide, mentor, inspire, and help students to grow and shape their future lives. So may I request all the parents and all the students who are here to stand up and give a standing ovation to all our beloved teachers. May I request all of you to stand up and give a standing ovation to the teachers who have made the lives of the students. Thank you so much. So for the students who are going to shape their careers for the future, some of you are going to leave the school, some of you are going to go to a different school, some of you are going to your technological careers, medical careers. Life moves on. But सबसे बड़ा चीज़ होता है कि आप अपना एथिकल वैल्यूज और एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स को कैसे बजाय रखते हैं. आप जब स्कूल में यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट में रहते हैं जहाँ पे कि आपका टीचर्स लोग आपको कंटिन्यूसली गाइड करते रहते हैं, पेरेंट्स आपके साथ रहते हैं, कोई गलत काम नहीं करने के लिए आपको सलाह देते हैं, आपको एडवाइस देते हैं. आप जब नए स्कूल में जाते हैं, नया एनवायरनमेंट में जाते हैं, देयर आर मेनी डेविएशंस व्हिच विल बी कमिंग ऑन योर पाथ. यू विल बी गेटिंग सम ऑफ द वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. यू विल ऑल्सो बी गेटिंग सम ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स जो आपको जो खुशी लगेगा उस टाइप का काम करने के लिए बोलेंगे. बट उस टाइम में आपको डिसाइड करने का है क्या सही है क्या गलत है. एंड ऑलवेज आपका कंसाइंस अंदर से एक आवाज़ आता है कि ये जो काम मैं करता हूँ ये सही है कि गलत है. सो लिसन टू योर कंसाइंस व्हेनेवर यू आर टेकिंग सम स्टेप्स, because now onwards you will be shaping your future, shaping your career for all the time for all the years to come. For those I once again congratulate to the students who have won the prizes in different categories. For those who are not winners, let me tell all of you, winning is not the only measure of success. What truly matters is the participation, learning, and courage to try. In life, you never fail. You either win or learn. So keep trying, keep learning, and at the same point of time, you will also be a winner at some point of time. Once again, my heartiest appreciation for the principal, all teachers, and their commitment for shaping the young minds and building the bright future for the nation. This day will be a memorable day for me and for all of you to come in the future. Finally, I thank everyone who worked very hard to make this wonderful event a grand success. Thank you. My best wishes for all the years to come. Thank you so much.
Principal sir is also joining the movement. We are truly privileged to witness this moment of gratitude. It's over to you, Sudha madam. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the exuberant outputs. Thank you.
Congratulations to each one of you. Your hard work and dedication truly deserve appreciation. Now as we move ahead, let us shift from celebration to expression. Sit back, relax and enjoy a vibrant lineup of performance presented by our talented students. With this, I now hand over the stage to our young anchors who will take you through the cultural segment of the evening. Thank you. Have a great evening.